to use HKT100 veterinary infusion pump. Here is a 3.5-inch touchscreen. Beside it are 4 soft keys: home keys, start or stop keys, alarm silence key, and power key. Press and hold the power button to power on. Self-checking. IV set installation. Here is the way to install an IV set. Press the door buckle to open the pump door. Push up the anti-freeze flow clamp. Follow the tube installation direction and install the tube from left to right. The tube should be placed smoothly and completely fit in the groove. Close the door and the IV set installation is finished. Accuracy calibration. Click infusion tube on the main interface. Click self-defined tube. The default password is 11. Choose tube 1 and self-define its name. Then start accuracy calibration. Click accuracy calibration. There are 2 accuracy calibration. Here is the accuracy calibration 1. Follow the steps. First, exhaust all air bubbles. Press the purge button to remove all the air bubbles. When all the air bubbles are removed from the line, we go to the second step. Put the end of the tube into an empty syringe. We use our fingertip to cover the hole, so it could function as a measuring cup. So we put the end of the tube into the syringe. Then we proceed to the third step. Enter the actual volume or weight of fluid flow out. So we press the start button. It will start infusing the liquid. When the 5 minutes countdown is over, the accuracy calibration 1 is completed. Now, we enter the actual volume of the liquid flow out. Let's see the actual volume. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 8 milliliter. So we enter the VTBI. 8 millimeter. Then we click confirm. So the first accuracy calibration is completed. Now we proceed to the accuracy calibration 2. Because we have exhausted the air bubbles in the first accuracy calibration, so we can press start button directly. When the 2 minutes countdown is over, we input the actual volume. Now let's see the actual volume. 19. So we enter the VTBI. The volume infused is 19 millimeter. Then we click confirm. Successful calibration. That means we have already finished the accuracy calibration. Start infusion. Open the clip. Click the infusion mode on the main interface. Choose the infusion mode according to your need. We choose rate mode here. Click the rate to enter the rate you want. Click VTBI to enter the volume to be infused you want. Now the parameter settings is done. Before you start infusion, don't forget to click and hold the purge button to remove all the air bubbles. When all the air bubbles is removed, release the purge button. Then you can start infusion. The left time on the bottom right indicate the time left before the infusion ends. When it is finished, click Stop to end the infusion. Note, during the infusion, you can click and hold the purge button to activate bolus for fast feeding. Click and hold the button for manual bolus. The bolus volume delivered depends on how long you hold the button. If you want to have auto bolus, click Pause and then click Purge. You can set the bolus rate and bolus volume here. The initial 0.0 in the bolus volume means it is a manual bolus. If you want to have a auto bolus, you can set the volume. You can change the rate as you want. Press Start to continue the infusion. Because we have set the bolus volume, right now we click the purge button, it will begin the auto bolus. Setting. Click the setting. There are two settings here: user settings and admin setting. You can change most of the setting in the user settings. Optional heating function. With external power supply, HKT100W can realize heating function by installing an external heating strip. Here is the way to install the external heating strip. Find the needle. Place the tube into the external heating strip. Installation is finished. After the installation, click Settings in the main interface. Click User Settings. Find Warmer. Click here to set the temperature. After you set the temperature, turn on the heating switch. Then the warmer will be turned on. Optional hook. With the optional hook, HKT100W can be hung on the animal cage.